Aging is an inevitable process that affects every individual, but there are numerous measures one can take to promote healthy aging. One such measure is consuming a diet rich in anti-aging foods. These foods possess powerful antioxidant properties that combat free radicals, protect vital organs, and support cellular regeneration, facilitating a youthful appearance and sustainable health. This video aims to explore 12 key anti-aging foods that can help individuals maintain their vitality and well-being as they age. Number 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranates have garnered attention in the field of anti-aging due to their remarkable health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranates combat free radicals that contribute to aging by protecting cells from oxidative damage. The fruit's powerful polyphenol not only reduce inflammation but also promote collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Pomegranate extract helps stimulate cell regeneration, aiding in the repair of damaged skin and promoting a more youthful complexion. Additionally, studies have shown that pomegranate juice may enhance the skin's ability to retain moisture, resulting in improved hydration and a radiant glow. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a highly nutritious leafy green, often regarded as a superfood. Packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene, spinach plays a significant role in slowing down the aging process and promoting youthful skin. These potent antioxidants combat free radicals in the body which are responsible for causing oxidative stress and damaging cells. In particular, spinach contains high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin that contribute to maintaining healthy skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Moreover, spinach boasts an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals like iron, folate, and vitamin K that promote cell regeneration and collagen production. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is the ultimate secret weapon for anti-aging. Packed with antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and sulforaphane, this mighty vegetable works wonders in combating wrinkles, fine lines, and dull skin. Its miraculous properties also protect against harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of sun damage and leaving your complexion radiant. Not only does broccoli promote collagen production for a plump and firm appearance, but it also helps to detoxify your body from harmful toxins that accelerate aging. With just a handful of broccoli daily, you can maintain a youthful glow and slow down the aging process naturally. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a miraculous treat that not only satisfies our cravings, but also has incredible anti-aging properties. Packed with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids, it fights off free radicals and reduces oxidative stress, which are major contributors to skin aging. The flavonoids improve blood flow to the skin, increasing its hydration and elasticity, resulting in a youthful and radiant complexion. Furthermore, dark chocolate protects against sun damage by boosting the skin's natural UV protection. It stimulates collagen production, diminishing fine lines and wrinkles while promoting firmness and overall skin health. So, indulging in this delightful treat not only brings joy to our taste buds, but bestows us with glowing, ageless beauty as well. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are the ultimate superfood when it comes to anti-aging. Packed with powerful antioxidants, these little blue wonders work tirelessly to combat free radicals and protect our skin from premature aging. Not only do they help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but blueberries also promote collagen production, resulting in plumper and more supple skin. The abundance of vitamin C and E found in blueberries further enhances their anti-aging properties by regenerating damaged skin cells and promoting overall skin health. Additionally, these delicious berries boast high levels of anthocyanins, which improve blood circulation and bring a radiant glow to your complexion. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that work wonders on our skin. These amazing nutrients help combat inflammation in the body, which can lead to premature aging. But that's not all. Omega-3s also promote collagen production, keeping our skin firm and supple. And if glowing skin isn't enough reason to get excited, these fatty fish are also rich in antioxidants that protect against free radicals damage, those pesky little things responsible for fine lines and wrinkles. So, indulge in this delicious seafood regularly and say hello to a radiant, youthful complexion. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is truly a miraculous fruit when it comes to its anti-aging properties. This vibrant and juicy tropical treat is packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, along with other nutrients like beta-carotene and lycopene that can help combat the signs of aging. Not only does papaya promote collagen production, which keeps our skin firm and elastic, but it also improves skin tone, reduces wrinkles, and minimizes the appearance of age spots. The enzyme called papain, found abundantly in papaya, acts as a natural exfoliator, sloughing off dead skin cells and revealing a youthful and radiant complexion beneath. Regular consumption or application of this fruit on your skin can delay the onset of wrinkles while giving you a healthy glow. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is an incredible elixir for combating the signs of aging, boasting numerous skin benefits that promote a youthful and radiant complexion. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea effectively neutralizes free radicals responsible for oxidative stress and damage, which lead to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. These powerful compounds also help stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity and firmness. Green tea's anti-inflammatory properties further aid in reducing redness and inflammation associated with aging skin, providing a clear and even-toned complexion. Green tea also aids in flushing out toxins from the body, resulting in clearer skin that glows from within. Embrace the rejuvenating powers of green tea and bid farewell to premature aging. Number 9. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are an absolute game-changer when it comes to anti-aging. These vibrant veggies are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps fight off damaging free radicals that cause wrinkles and skin damage. With their high collagen-boosting properties, red bell peppers aid in maintaining skin elasticity, resulting in a youthful and firm complexion. Not only do they promote a radiant glow, but they also protect against sun damage with their lycopene content, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. Loaded with essential nutrients such as beta-carotene and vitamin A, red bell peppers contribute to the production of healthy new skin cells while improving overall skin texture. So say goodbye to fine lines, and hello to a more vibrant and youthful appearance with these phenomenal anti-aging powerhouses. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is an absolute game-changer when it comes to anti-aging. This liquid gold boasts a plethora of remarkable properties that can turn back the hands of time. Rich in antioxidants, including vitamin Z and A, olive oil helps combat free radicals that age our skin prematurely. It also contains essential fatty acids that restore elasticity and hydration, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. The powerful phenolic compounds found in olive oil stimulate collagen production, leaving our skin plump and youthful. Not only does it nourish the skin deeply, but it also protects against harmful UV damage, a major culprit in aging. So go ahead and indulge in this natural elixir. Your skin will thank you for its radiant glow and newfound vitality. Number 11. Avocado. Avocado is a miraculous fruit that holds the key to defying the aging process. Packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids, this creamy green powerhouse combats free radicals, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and promotes youthful-looking skin. Its high levels of vitamin E nourish and hydrate the skin while promoting collagen production, resulting in a firm and plump complexion. Also rich in vitamins C and A, avocados stimulate cell regeneration, improving skin texture and tone. But that's not all. This magical fruit also works its wonders from within by promoting overall health. With its anti-inflammatory properties, avocados protect against environmental stressors that contribute to premature aging, leaving you feeling rejuvenated both inside and out. Number 12. Nuts. Nuts are nature's little powerhouses when it comes to anti-aging. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these tiny treats can work wonders for your skin and overall well-being. From walnuts to almonds, each nut offers unique benefits that combat the signs of aging. For instance, walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids that help maintain skin elasticity and reduce inflammation. On the other hand, almonds contain vitamin E, which acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting your skin from free radical damage and promoting a youthful glow. Brazil nuts offer selenium that supports healthy collagen production and protects against UV damage. Whether you enjoy them in salads or as a crunchy snack, Incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet can leave you feeling excited about their remarkable anti-aging properties. Let's summarize. In the quest for anti-aging, these superfoods spinach, nuts, olive oil, avocado, bell peppers, green tea, and papaya offer a simple and delicious way to keep your skin youthful and your body healthy. Spinach nourishes your skin with vital nutrients, nuts provide heart-healthy fats, olive oil reduces inflammation, avocados are packed with goodness, bell peppers fight off aging effects, green tea keeps you looking young, and papaya supports digestion and boosts your immune system. By including these foods in your diet, you're not only promoting a more youthful appearance but also enhancing your overall well-being. So, embrace these delightful anti-aging allies and enjoy a healthier and happier life.